Why your Samsung split AC light blinks, full fix guide. A Samsung split AC light blinking often indicates an issue such as a communication error between units, a dirty filter, low refrigerant, or a problem with the control board or sensors. To troubleshoot, first try resetting the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes. If the problem persists, check for simple solutions like cleaning the filters, but for more complex issues like communication errors or low refrigerant, you will need professional service. Communication error. If two lights blink, it often means a communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units. Check wiring for loose or damaged connections and consider resetting the system. Electrical problems. This can include issues with the power supply, a tripped circuit breaker, or a faulty control board. Resetting the system can sometimes resolve these issues. Low refrigerant. A blinking light can signal that the system needs more refrigerant. This is a job for a professional who can safely find and fix any leaks before recharging. Dirty filters, poor airflow. Clogged air filters can restrict airflow, causing the system to work harder and potentially trigger a light. Clean the filters regularly to prevent this. Sensor issues. Problems with temperature sensors can cause the lights to blink. You can check sensor connections or consult the user manual for specific error codes. Component failure. A blinking light could indicate a failing fan motor, a problem with the compressor, or a faulty circuit board. What to do? Reset the unit. Turn off the power to both the indoor and outdoor units for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on. Clean the filters. Remove and clean the air filters, as they can often cause performance issues when they become clogged. Check for error codes. Consult your user manual to see if the blinking lights correspond to a specific error code, which can provide more clues about the problem. Call a professional. If the problem continues, it's best to contact a qualified technician. They can accurately diagnose and fix issues related to the refrigerant, circuit boards, or sensors, as some of these require specialized tools and expertise.